Hazrat Nafi reports, Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu used to place his hands on the ground before placing his knees. Hazrat Abu Bakr bin Abdul Rahman bin Haris bin Hisham and Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman report, Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu used to pronounce takbir in every prayer, whether it was obligatory or other one, and in Ramadan or out of Ramadan. When he would stand erect, he would pronounce takbir. Thereafter, when he would bow down, he would pronounce takbir. Then he would say, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu listened to him who praised him. Afterwards, he would say, O our Lord, and all praise is for you alone. While getting down to perform the prostration, he would pronounce, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest, before performing the prostration. Then, when he would raise his head from the prostration, he would pronounce takbir. Again, when he would prostrate himself, he would pronounce takbir. And when he raised his head from the prostration, he would again pronounce takbir. Then when he would get up from the sitting after 2 units, he would again pronounce takbir. And he would do so in each unit till he would complete his prayer. After completing the prayer, he would say, By him in whose possession my life is, my prayer resembles the prayer of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. More than that of any one of you, his prayer remains so till he bid adieu to the world. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 803.